Hello and welcome back to another video. Thank you so much for being here. In case no one told you today, thank you for being here. So, welcome back is probably not the right term because I haven't been posting, but I also don't have a fan base to say that anybody would give a fuck that I wasn't actively showing up and posting anyways. So, that doesn't matter. I digress. What we're doing today is we're just going to be restocking that boy. I've always wanted a mini fridge for as long as I can remember, so I'm living out my childhood dreams as an adult. Upgrade. So life as a teen has now become life as an adult, and I knew that time would come, but I also now elevated it to Marie's world to be a little more diverse, because I want to have videos that are going to be everything, every kind of genre you can think of. We're going to do things from covers to skits to, don't quote me on anything, reactions, but anything I feel like doing in live that moment in that time is what I'm going to do. It's what I'm going to do. It's just plainly, simply what I would choose to do. So we're probably wondering, Marie, where the fuck have you been? Why should we care? And I'll say to that, celebrating my friendship, family, child, and birth child, and I went down to my parents' house to say that I was going to go, and I was feeling that I was not graduating high school, and I graduated high school, regardless of being there, and having a job at the time, and then after all of that, me and everyone, I talked to stop speaking for terms and reasons of leadership, and not to go that way on further because I digress, and then I had to go back to my parents' house because I have to leave. It's so complicated, but there's no lovely space, so that's what I feel about. I'll get into that. So I'm just going to continue to be me. Here I am now. I'm finally doing and decorating and expanding on my space, wanting to largen it and wanting to make it more comfy, because we moved out here and now it's rounding up to a year that we've been out here, and I haven't posted any of it because it was so much struggle to go through. I didn't know how to make that look pretty on the internet, and I feel like that's part of the internet, is you don't go to see other people struggling, you know what I mean? But I'm also trying to change that narrative. And so I have a few things I purchased that would be going into there, and so I feel as though you deserve to see them, the befores and afters and stuff. I'll show you what's in the mini fridge currently, because just after I bought it, I went and purchased some Palm Bay. Life as an adult. And so that's the first thing that went into my mini fridge. It is a bar fridge type situation, because all the mini fridges I was looking at were way too small. They were like 6 cans, like on top of your desk type fridges, and I was like, I need a big boy. So we're gonna stock up my big boy. Okay, now we have relocated. We are now facing my closet and back from the windows perspective. I don't know, explain. First order of business is that it's wobbly. I bought a rug and a rug thingy grip so it stays on the wood. That's the first order of business. But we're gonna do the full out, blown out unloading on my yoga mat so you guys can see what we're putting in there and stuff. So let's get into that. Perspective, we got these two big boys that I've been hugging and carrying all the way home. Hold up, getting it done. Okay. Let me put this part in time lapse so we can skip over it.
You melt the ice.
The rug I was talking about and the thing to put underneath it, and then here is the rest of the stuff. Now it looks like very little amount of stuff, but all of these separate containers, 2 of them, all of those shelving, this is vinyl because I want to cover this blackness, and all of these wipes and stuff to clean it out, all out. Yeah, this is my perspective, so don't mind that corner of mess, but this right here is what we're studying at. Here is the mini fridge haul. So that's what this currently looks like right now. I know I'm gonna take all of that off, and I got some vinyl stuff to get that all pretty, but this is the current stage. As you can see, it's a little bit dirty, a lot of it dirty, just because it was not with its previous owner. They didn't really see a use for it after getting it, but I think I will. So let's get this stocked up. first thing I want to do is move him and put him on a rug because we don't want none of this. At least the rug will be able to make sure there's something to absorb that instead of the ground when it does tilt.
I know some days with you it's paradise, but now you spin me in a web with all your lies. Want you to feel the way I feel inside. I'm reaching out for help, you got me in a riptide. You call me crazy now, but you don't understand. I'm calling out to you, can you hear a thing? Cause you lit the match that ignites the flame. I'm the TNT, but you're the spark to blame. And it's fire burning holes inside my. She's getting on my nerves. You don't have.
So I've dropped layers. Had to take off little Miss Blue because gee, I do not kid when I say sheesh. It was a time lapse. You guys don't know the pain my body is feeling from this. Jesus, just cleaning it out took me out almost fully. So now what we're really gonna focus on is just like putting things in containers and seeing how I want to put it in there for right now. Okay, so it's so clean. You may not be able to see it, but those top marks are now gone. It is spick and span like a bitch. Like a bitch. We're gonna focus on containing things in there. Oh, that's so cool. Good. So we know these will fit down there. That's how you know space things. Good. So that's bottom shelf. These little containers, or I thought about it for these rows. Cool. And now these things. Now I'm so tired. It is literally midnight now, and I'm so tired. So I'm using. I'm gonna put a time lapse for me packaging and stocking things, and then I'm gonna come back for the video to show you what I've done. Let me just do that for now.
But you still act surprised. It's not my fault when we end up capsized. You call me crazy now, but you don't understand. I'm calling out to you, can you hear a thing? Cause you lit the match that ignites the flame. I'm the TNT, but you're the spark to blame. And it's fire burning holes inside my brain. Feel the fire, beat the melters down again. Now it's pouring through my veins, but I said you're the spark to blame. And it's fire burning holes inside my brain. Want you to feel the way I feel inside. I'm reaching out for help, you got me in a riptide. You call me crazy now, but you don't understand. I'm calling out to you, can you hear a thing? Cause you lit the match that ignites the flame. I'm the TNT, but you're the spark to blame. And it's fire burning holes inside my brain. Feel the fire, keep the melters down again. Now it's pouring through my veins, but I said you're the spark to blame. And it's fire burning holes inside my brain.
call me bluish. Cause I'm stepping into the scene, I think you know what I mean. Call me bluish. Cause if there's already a pink and Beyonce's got a kid with the name of my theme, call me bluish. Cause the way he out here rhyme ain't childish, taking young gambles like I'm fucking selfish. Now the baby, that ain't even what I'm rapping. I'm not even crippin', I'm just bluish. Some people might call me crazy cause they think I be too wavy. I just keep them in my Swayze, call me bluish. But I always know what's up, I just never give a fuck. Bullshit radar always steady, call me bluish. Like a motherfucker, I'm just bluish. Like the water on the river, I be lazy.
Okay, it's 1:30 in the morning, and I finally have something that's okay for right now. So, no goodness, that's left. I did tidy up most of it, but use whatever's left is really like, you know what today. You know what. So I'm just gonna flip the camera, do the whole review, so that you guys can see what we're working on. Okay, look at that. That's just the top. We got our teas and crumpets, snacks, of course. That's the whole point. Cookies for the tea, of course. Chocolate covered almonds, and a bunch of an array of little candies. A cup for the tea, stuff like that. And those are like juice crystals, because you never know. There's the front. I put my little hello. It's a picture frame, but I really like the follow the rainbow from the stock photo, so I just cut the rest of the bullshit off and left it at that until I have a photo for there. My whiteboard / notebook for refills and stuff. And finally, without further ado, drumroll please. I turn 5, 3, 2, 1. Hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Very, very nice. Yo, that is the full fridge stock for now. I don't know what day and time it is, whatever for you, but nobody cares. I'm just meaning have a good day. I'm going to bed because I have to work in 6 hours. So, yo.
Stepping into the scene, I'ma change the world bit by bit, from the north to the Atlantic. My oceans stay in the Pacific, so let's keep it bluish, like a big motherfucker. Welcome to the I'm just bluish.